What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can pre-book the JioPhone Next from your WhatsApp, and not only that, the other methods which Jio also offers with its official specifications, and is it worth your money about your 6,000 rupees or for 6,500 rupees. So if you're new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So the very first step which you need to process is that you have to send a hi message to a phone number 70182 You can also find that in the link in the description below. So do check that out, and the other also methods which you can also apply to pre-book your JioPhone Next. Now after sending a hi message, I waited for a bit time and I didn't get a response. So I then again message the hi, and then afterwards I get a reply from that. Now that's the official number which Jio provides, and then afterwards you have to select the confirm interest or to know more. So we will be clicking on the confirm interest because we are interested in the JioPhone Next. And after tapping that, we get a message from a JioPhone Next. Thank you for your interest on the JioPhone Next, and now enter your full name. Here I'll be entering not my name, instead of that I'll be mentioning my channel's name. And afterwards they will ask you to give your exact location. So I'll be sharing my location from my phone because right now WhatsApp web is not available for this current live location. So I'll be sending a location from my phone and from the pinch menu. And after giving us a location, they will instantly confirm your location has been captured successfully and thank you for your interest. And we will be done for the JioPhone Next booking. So this was a pretty simple step to book your JioPhone Next, and that's completely all. You don't have to do any other thing. Whereas the other method which Jio also provides is that you can move on to the official website, and via confirming your phone number via an OTP you will get your confirmation, or you can also visit the nearest JioMart digital retailer. You can also phone from there too. Now talking about the key specifications and the feature of the JioPhone Next, then it will be a 4G smartphone, which will be one of the cheapest 4G supported smartphone in the world. And not only that, it will be coming with a 5.45 inch of an HD plus display with a polycarbonate back panel, a single camera of a 13 megapixel, and on the front you will be getting an 8 megapixel of a selfie shooter. Now Qualcomm Snapdragon 215 chip will be present in the smartphone for the processing, and the CPU task, you will be getting a 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of an internal storage. Now the battery capacity is also a decent one at 3500 mAh battery for an HD plus resolution display, so it will be going with a good one. But the charging speed is really a very slow one, which is the 5 watts of charger, which will be indeed included in the box. Now what will be going to be a new thing for this Android smartphone is that it will be running on the Pragati OS, which is the Android skin, and it will also get an auto update feature too. Now other features you will also getting in this phone is such as the Google's this language translation, voice assistant, and the other Jio applications right in the phone. Now the phone is available for 6,500 rupees, but you can also try this phone for just 2,000 rupees, and the rest one you can pay in the easy EMI over the packs. So if you want to know more about them, then let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are facing any problem in this, also let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.